Hello friends, today I am going to show you how we can create Synapse Analytics Server in Azure. So the main aim is like we are not Synapse Analytics guy, we are a SQL Server DBAs. So how the SQL Server will be get created internally, and like is that port SQL Server visible in Azure or not, we will see and everything. Okay, as of now if I see here, okay, I'm able to here I'm having two servers. Okay, and if I go here and I'm creating one more new Synapse new Azure SQL server, which is a PaaS service, and that too inbuilt in Synapse Analytics. Okay, so right now I'm going to create the Synapse Analytics, create new workspace. Here I shall select the see here I'm creating a one where all Synapse Analytics will get created under one group. Okay, now Synapse. So I'm in that I'm create one more resource group. Why? Because in this resource group all these related in the space will get all these objects that are going to create in Synapse Analytics, that are going to be stored in one place. So here I'm pressing Arsha, like Arsha text. Okay, so it will check 1001. Okay, east usation account name, create new data lake storage Arsha 002 or something 3. Okay, file system name also I'm creating new Harsha 003. Okay, you have to select this option. So automatically this will be become storage blob contributor role. So next, security, coming to here. So by default we don't have to select only we can select this option. So by we should not if we have multiple doors, that would be better. So I recommend to use both local and Microsoft Enter. For this SQL admin, I will give that by default. I'm giving the SA password for the SQL server. This part, everything related to SQL server. See, choose the authentication workspace resource such as SQL pools. This is where how we are going to create the SQL server. Allow this one. There is no checkbox. Okay, I'm disabling next, next. I come back, next, next. Yeah. So per hour, sorry, per cast T1 TB, it is going to charge 415 rupees. Create. So our deployment has been completed. So now just refresh this one. Go to here and click on Azure Synapse Analytics. Select here. Okay. Now if I see that dedicated SQL and endpoint, right? This one, you just copy this here and come here and select authentication, SQL admin. I'm able to connect this data Azure SQL Server. But what I want here is, so now as of now I'm having three SQL servers, right? If I click here, see, still I am not able to view. So this SQL server will be visible only in Synapse Analytics workspace only. If I go here and like SQL pools, see, in this only it will be visible serverless here, that too. Okay, and it is a built-in SQL server, so it will be okay. So it will be visible here only, but it will not visible in this SQL Server. Or for example, if I want to do like if I want to do the reset of the password directly, I can go here and I can reset the password here. So he can reset the password. Okay, but here we don't have anything like this portal, right? Okay, so how where we can go and we can do is go to properties here. If you want to reset that SQL password here, you have to reset. Okay, for example, if you have selected only authentication, then it could be a problem. So that's the reason I always recommend it. So it will you just select the both authentication, whatever you want to use, you can use that one only. So this is the difference, and the one thing is like what I observed, and one thing what I want to observe is this one, right? Resource subscription, the same subscription ID test demo 003, right? Okay. Now what is the resource equal to Arsha test? Now I will try this one. So this is the result. So this is the one of the reason. So whenever we see the SQL server, it doesn't we cannot assume that. Okay, so once we have to interact with other people, so whatever the flexibility we have to configure like LTR backups and everything, we don't have that kind of things using the portal. Okay, so I hope what you got the logic with what intention I have created. I have showed this video for you. The main reason is what the difference what I found like Synapse on Azure SQL Server, which is inbuilt configured by along with Azure Synapse Analytics, and the SQL Server separately what we use configures as individually. This is the difference that I want to show you. I hope you may like this video. Thank you.